Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we're reviewing the Dogsnap mobile app, a pet-focused tool designed to help dog owners identify breeds, track health, and capture memorable moments using AI-powered features. If you're a dog parent or someone who loves learning about different breeds, this app might catch your interest. Dogsnap includes several helpful features. One of the key highlights is its breed identifier, which uses your phone's camera to scan your dog and provide quick, reliable breed information. It also offers a pet health tracker where you can log vaccinations, vet visits, and grooming reminders. Plus, users can create personalized dog profiles and share photos within the app, making it a mix of utility and fun. Let's go over the pros and cons. On the positive side, the breed recognition is fairly accurate, even for mixed breeds. The health tracking system is practical for busy owners, and the app's interface is clean and beginner-friendly. On the downside, the free version has limited access to features and often prompts users to upgrade. Some users also noted the scanner can misidentify breeds if the lighting is poor or the dog isn't positioned clearly. User feedback has been generally favorable. Many appreciate how quick and easy the app is to use, especially when identifying unknown dog breeds. Others found the health tracking feature convenient for keeping everything in one place. However, some users would like more advanced health insights and the ability to sync across multiple devices. In summary, Dogsnap is a useful companion app for dog lovers. While it's not without its limitations, it offers a thoughtful combination of breed recognition and pet care tools. Whether you're a new dog owner or just curious about different breeds, it's worth checking out. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.